Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will be building a typing speed test app using React.js and Tailwind CSS. The app will measure your typing speed, show errors and calculate accuracy. So let's start. First, let's create a React project using Vite. Open the terminal and run the command. Then navigate to the project folder and install dependencies. We also need to install Tailwind CSS for styling and run. Inside Tailwind config.js, update content property too. Now in index.css, we will import the Tailwind CSS. Let's start the project and see if everything works. Now let's build the app.js file where we will manage our states and main logic. First, import React and use state and use effect hooks. We will use a sample text to compare the user's typing. Now state variables. Next we will define the state variables to track users input, typing speed, accuracy, and when the users start typing we record the time. If they finish typing we calculate the typing speed and accuracy. We check if the user has typed at least one letter to start the timer. Once they finish, we calculate the word per minute WPM. Now accuracy calculation. Now we define the function to count errors and calculate accuracy. This function compares each typed character with the sample text and calculate accuracy based on the errors. Next, let's create a separate component for user input. This component receives input and set input as prop to update user typing in the state. First, let's look at the typing input component. This component is responsible for capturing user input and updating our state in app.js. Let's go through the code. We start by importing React and PropTypes. PropTypes helps us to validate props to ensure that the correct data types is passed. Here we define a functional component named typing input. It takes the input, the correct type text, and set text a function to update it as props. Inside the return statement, we use a text area element. Let's break it down. Value equal to input ensures that the text inside the input box stays synchronized with state. OnChange function update the states every time the user types. The class name, inside that we use the Tailwind CSS for styling, border, padding, rounded corners, and finally, we define a prop types to ensure input is always a string and set input is a function. Next, let's check out the typing state component. This component will display the user's typing speed, accuracy, and errors. Again, we will import React and prop types for validation. This functional component takes three props: WP, words per minute, accuracy, and errors. Let's break down the UI. WPM displayed in green indicating good speed. Accuracy shown in blue, format the two decimal places. Errors highlighted in red to indicate mistakes. Here we ensure that WPM and accuracy and errors are all numbers, making our code more reliable. And that's our typing states component. Now let's test the app, start typing and see how the speed, accuracy and errors update in real time. And that's it. We just built a fully functional typing speed test app using React and Tailwind CSS. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe and let me know in the comment what you want to see next. See you in the next video. Happy coding.